If you've ever added ginger to tea or cooking and found it too sharp or overpowering, you're about to change that forever. This isn't just another kitchen tip. It's a method that enhances ginger's healing strength while making it smooth, pleasant, and long-lasting. You'll learn exactly how to steam ginger the right way, dry it perfectly, and store it so it keeps its natural energy for weeks. And stay till the end. I'll show you 2 incredible flavor options, and 1 surprising way to turn the leftover liquid into something refreshing. Ginger has been used for centuries to support circulation, digestion, and immunity, and modern science agrees, but most people use it the wrong way, destroying much of its potential. This technique keeps everything intact. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing people from every corner of the world share their food wisdom. And while you're here, tap subscribe. I post real, science-backed recipes that anyone can make at home. Break the ginger into smaller pieces so every curve is easy to reach. Place them in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of salt and a spoonful of baking soda, then fill with water until the pieces are covered. Stir gently. You'll notice the water getting cloudy as dirt lifts off. Salt helps disinfect. Baking soda loosens grime trapped in the skin folds. After 10 minutes, scrub lightly with a brush and rinse thoroughly. And here's an important tip. Don't peel the skin. That thin outer layer holds protective compounds and balances the warm nature of the root. When you keep it, you preserve the synergy between flavor and nutrition. Pat the pieces dry. Loop. Next, we'll use a gentle steaming method that softens the bite but keeps every drop of goodness inside. Bring water to a boil and set up your steamer. Arrange the ginger pieces in a single layer. No stacking. Lower the heat slightly and let the steam flow for 10 to 12 minutes. Steaming breaks down fiber just enough to make the ginger tender without dulling its nutrients. Research shows this process converts part of gingerol into zingerone, a milder compound linked to stronger antioxidant activity and a smoother taste. When you lift the lid, breathe in. The sharpness is gone, replaced by a calm, warm aroma. Cool the pieces slightly and slice thin. They should shine lightly and feel supple, not mushy. Coming up, we'll dry these slices naturally to lock in flavor and stop them from spoiling. Spread the slices on a tray lined with parchment so they don't stick. Place them under sunlight or near a window with good airflow. If your weather's humid, use a dehydrator on low heat. Dry until the edges look firm but the slices still bend without cracking. This stage keeps aroma and texture in balance. As moisture leaves, ginger's sweetness becomes more pronounced, and the active oils stabilize. Avoid overdrying. Brittle pieces lose potency faster. Once done, cool completely before moving on. Next, we'll flavor these golden slices 2 ways. And trust me, both are delicious. Get 2 clean, dry glass jars ready. Divide the ginger evenly. In the first jar, add rock sugar and pour balsamic vinegar until the slices are submerged. This version develops a deep, slightly sweet tone that pairs beautifully with roasted vegetables or salads. In the second jar, repeat with rock sugar and rice vinegar. It creates a bright, refreshing flavor ideal for morning tea or light meals. Seal the jars tightly and let them rest at room temperature for about 10 days. During that time, the sugar dissolves and the ginger slowly absorbs the vinegar, forming a natural balance between sweet and tart. People who've tried this method say it's the first time ginger became something they actually craved instead of tolerated. Coming next, how to use it, why it helps your body, and what to do with the liquid that's left. Eat 2 thin slices each morning on an empty stomach to wake up digestion and warm your body from the inside out. Or drop a few into hot water with lemon for a gentle detox drink. Ginger's natural oils stimulate blood flow, while compounds like gingerol and shogaol help reduce inflammation and support joint comfort. Many regular users notice improved energy, fewer colds, and less bloating after heavy meals. A viewer from Italy shared, "I started taking steamed ginger daily, and my stomach feels light for the first time in years." Another from Canada said, "It's become my go-to instead of coffee." Simple changes, real results. Let's answer a few quick questions and clear up common mistakes so you get it right every time. How long does it last? As long as your jars stay clean and the slices are fully submerged, they'll hold for several weeks. After opening, refrigerate to keep them crisp. Which vinegar is better? If you like deep and mellow, go with balsamic. For light and crisp, rice vinegar is perfect. Tell me in the comments, are you Ras balsamic preferred or Fras rice preferred? And here's a bonus. Don't throw away that pickling liquid. Add a spoonful to sparkling water. It becomes a refreshing natural ginger soda with a tangy sparkle. May go well with rum as a chaser. Stay with me. I'll summarize every step so you can start today. Let's recap this simple yet powerful routine. 1. Clean your ginger with salt and baking soda. Keep the skin. 2. Steam for 10-12 minutes to soften and activate nutrients. 3. Dry until flexible, not brittle. 4. Pickle with rock sugar and vinegar. Balsamic for depth, rice vinegar for brightness. 5. Wait 10 days, then enjoy daily for warmth, energy, and balance. From Asia to Europe to the Americas, people are rediscovering this clean, natural approach to wellness. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, like, comment, and share it with someone who loves natural health. And tell me where you're watching from in your comment. And don't leave yet. Tap the video on your screen for more useful information. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you there.